Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to paint Christmas Santa Claus hat with watercolor. I already sketched the outline of the hat. Now I am with the areas where to paint. Now I start painting with the color Charlotte Lake mixed with lemon yellow. This color makes a reddish, and now I am using Crimson Lake. Like that, the color make more gorgeous and reddish. You know, the Christmas hat always made by red and white combination. So I will doing the color with that. This Crimson Lake make this hat more gorgeous and reddish, and the hat also have many folds. I have to show the folds also, so I need dark and light areas also. So multicolor make this. Beginners, please watch this full video, and you also can do this very easily. It is very simple painting. Now I am painting the darkest area, shadow area, because the fold of hat made some shadows on the hat. I am make this color with Crimson Lake plus Cobalt Blue plus burnt sienna. And the shadows areas I am painting. Shadows make this hat more realistic. You know, the light and shadow make any object realistic. Now I am lifting some colors from the hat because it make the highlight where the light comes, and highlight makes the hat more realistic. At first, clean the brush and wet the brush, and then rub on the paper and lift the colors. Now it's look more beautiful and it's make a realistic feel. So beginners, you have to know the technique also. I am Jayanta from West Bengal, India, and I did many tutorials videos on watercolor in my channel. If you like my painting video, you can subscribe my channel and you can watch my all tutorials. Now I am painting the white areas of the hat. Again, I moisturize the area where to paint, and I am doing it wet in wet because it's white portion, so I am using cobalt blue to show the shadows. And now where the dark area, I am painting with Persian blue and burnt sienna. This make the hat roundness. So watch the video and hope you will enjoy the process. And beginners, you can do it at home very easily. Thank you for watching my video. The painting of Santa Claus hat is complete. Hope you enjoy the painting process, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.